No 2 days in my design life are ever the same, and today is no exception. It's a weekday, it's a Thursday, and I happen to be here at Starlight Farm with my friend, my next door neighbor, Trish Magwood, author of 3 fabulous cookbooks, and she's gonna teach me and you how to make new delicious things.
I'm not gonna teach you, we're just gonna do it together.
My friend Trish is known for making fresh, healthy, delicious food that's fun and easy and embraces local ingredients. Who loves tacos? I love tacos. Trish stopped by my kitchen just home from a beach vacation to Costa Rica and is going to show me and you how to make tacos 3 ways with cauliflower, fish, and chicken. Sound delicious? You bet it is. Let's go. First, we're gonna make roasted cauliflower and shishito peppers with cumin and Gruyère.
I'm an olive oil, salt, pepper, and usually like a spice.
Yeah.
Pretty well on everything. So we'll go olive oil.
How much? Trish doesn't do measurements.
It's like 3 tablespoons. Or, right?
Just pour right over.
Yeah, 3 tablespoons. And then normally
About like that.
Sure. And then normally about a teaspoon of our spices. So you had this fresh ground cumin in your pantry that I helped myself to.
Yeah.
And that's like
Help
about
yourself.
a teaspoon.
Okay.
And then chili flakes, same thing, about a teaspoon, just to give us some heat. We can sprinkle away on
About
that.
a teaspoon.
And then
So do you put that in your hand?
just go.
Really?
No, don't
These are gonna be hot.
No, just keep, come on.
Just shake it.
Okay, that's
Okay, that's enough?
So then we're gonna add a bit of, so your shishitos that we rinsed, we're gonna put them in whole. Oven's at 450, so hot, like the root veg like the hot, and so do the peppers. Peppers like really hot heat.
Okay.
And then we're gonna roast this for about 20 minutes.
Yum. And it goes.
So that is as a side or for our tacos.
Okay.
Now we have fish for the non-fish lovers.
Now, I love fish, but Trish doesn't usually like fish. So next, she's showing me how to prepare a delicious fish that everyone will love.
This is black cod, and this is from BC, so it's Canadian, it's wild. You can also get it from Alaska. It's not cheap, so you could do like a tilapia or a halibut, but I got cod. And you want to make sure it's dry.
Okay.
And then...
So do you rinse it?
No, I just patted it.
Okay.
And we can salt and pepper and... okay, this is a really good hack.
Okay. What are you doing with that?
We're doing salt and vinegar fish fry for our tacos.
Okay.
We're gonna want these for later. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna salt and pepper that.
Okay.
And I'm crumpling this up, lemon on it for now, so that it sticks. These are fairly big chunks. We can just smash, like give it a little bit of hammer. You can hammer it. Like that, like that. Throw them in here, okay? And shake it. Shake it, baby.
I thought she was gourmet now. Okay.
Keep shaking.
You're right, it's not fancy, but this is a great hack. I love this.
It's never gonna be fancy. It's always gonna be really great quality ingredients.
Yeah.
Local when we can.
Yep.
Or really good brands that we like. Simple, easy, delicious, and it's gonna be beautiful and fun. Look how perfect that is.
That's amazing.
I know.
If you don't like fish, you can try the same method with chicken.
Salt, pepper.
Yep.
Lemon juice so that it sticks.
Just
Shake
dropping it in. I was like,
things
what?
are getting very fancy over here. I'm just adding a bit of Gruyère in with the chips for an extra little shake.
All right. So our cauliflower is beeping. It's done.
I'm gonna pull them out and we're gonna add Gruyère for the final 15 minutes.
This smells really good.
So after 20 minutes at 450, see how well it's roasted?
Yeah.
So it's about 30 minutes in the oven. This is just a simple sheet pan veg.
This is the fun thing about cooking with a friend, is new ideas, new flavors. I do cauliflower all the time, but not with cumin and not with peppers and not with Gruyère. So, yay.
Creating stuff together, right?
Yay.
Well, that's what it is. Isn't
I'm
it just
learning.
Inspiration and ideas. We really only need it to go in for probably another 10 minutes. We can start the fish and the chicken in the pan now. Okay, nice heavy stainless pan. Veg oil so we don't burn it. We have our chicken here in one. Non-stick are really only for eggs. When you're doing like browning, searing, high heat.
Yeah.
You need stainless. We're gonna have a cook-off and you'll see the difference. This is the pans.
Okay.
That's what you need, that sound.
Okay. Sizzle.
And we don't want to crowd the pan, and we're not gonna fuss. So it's like, it literally goes in and you leave it. And you also know it's not ready to flip when it's sticking. Same thing when you barbecue.
It's rippling. Now it's ready?
Yeah, you're ready. And it should have that sound. Oh, see, it doesn't.
No, it's not ready.
I feel like it's because of the pan. Just saying.
All right, new pans for Valentine's Day.
No, just one. You only need one.
One, okay? New pan,
You
not.
don't need a whole stack.
One pan. Skip the flowers, just get a pan.
Did you look at my pan?
Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, flip that last one. Oh. Oh, show off. Okay. My nonstick pan doesn't look so bad, Trish.
Your nonstick pan looks amazing.
Yeah.
I'm full of apologies. Those are perfect. Let's get those out.
Should I take those out?
Yeah. And then we can we'll toss in the wraps to warm those up. We can now pull these out.
Okay, put me to work. I'll do this. Just pull this out. Don't worry about the seeds.
We're gonna
just pull
keep
the end.
Seeds. We're actually gonna give them kind of a rough chop. So once we do that, toss them here,
okay.
and we'll give them a rough chop.
Okay, these have been in an oven at 450 degrees, so they're a little hot, Trish.
My hands I don't even feel it.
My hands feel it. Yeah, I just burnt my fingers. So I'm gonna go to my tongs here. Show off. These don't have ends. Yeah, okay. I can chop them. What kind of rough chop are we talking here?
Like thirds. Okay, so we're doing a crema, which is really just another condiment for the cauli tacos, for the fish tacos. So I'm using the Greek style yogurt. You can use sour cream if you want.
And you've got about a half a cup there.
I have about a half a cup. Zest and juice of a lime.
Okay.
So we're adding green onion. I always think that when you cut something on an angle, it just looks prettier.
I love a good crema. Fresh basil.
So we can do a chiffonade.
Chiffonade means what?
Isn't it your
Define.
favorite? It's one of my favorite words.
It's a great word. I have to admit,
Chiffonade.
I'm like, where's my phone? I'm gonna look up what chiffonade. Oh.
Stack it.
Yeah?
Roll it.
What?
Slice it. Angle. That is a chiffonade.
Oh. I had no idea.
Chiffonade.
Chiffonade, okay. That's a very fancy word for chopped.
Okay, so there's radishes.
Yes.
These two things, all I did was put limes on them.
So just a little lime juice squeezed on some thinly sliced.
Thinly sliced.
Don't think that's a chiffonade.
That is not a chiffonade.
That's nice.
This is just a red onion,
Yep.
halved and sliced thinly
Yep.
with a lime and a half.
So this is pickling them?
This is a quick pickle. It's like fake
Okay.
pickling. So then
Technical.
we have the jalapenos,
Yeah.
which normally you wouldn't eat the seeds or the stems and jalapenos. And all I did was I sliced them up.
Yep.
And then I did a cooked vinaigrette. So over the stove, I just did equal parts vinegar, water.
Okay.
So about a quarter of a cup of white vinegar, a quarter of a cup of water.
Yep.
Like a tablespoon or two of sugar and salt and garlic, like 4 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
These you can leave in your fridge for days. These are so good in pasta.
Do I
If you're
want to
just-
eat one of these?
Let's see what happens. Picking one without a lot of seeds. It's fine. Is it fine?
Nice.
Are you sweating?
No. It's a little zingy now. It's nice.
Those are our fixings. Your favorite hot sauce.
Yeah.
We'll bring our fish, chicken, and cauli over. And the last thing is, my grandmother also used to always make a coleslaw with a boiled vinaigrette as well. So,
Okay.
so the same thing,
Okay.
but you would add mustard and mustard seed. So
Okay.
it had a zingy.
I've never made a boiled vinaigrette in my life. This is
And
interesting.
it's just to marinate it quickly. And so you can like cut your red cabbage and green cabbage and kale and Brussels sprouts if you want, or you wanted a little quick hack. So I just bought this store-bought bag of.
Oh, you bought the bag of cut up cabbage kale salad
Correct.
in the grocery store.
From the grocery
Okay.
store, and I made my boiled vinaigrette. Then it's sort of soft and marinated for our tacos.
Yum.
Okay, we're almost
Okay.
ready.
Here we go. First bite.
It's finale. Mine is packed way more full than yours.
Delicious. Can I steal all of this?
Steal away. There's nothing to be stolen.
Steal away. Okay. Sharing.
Have this for dinner tonight. Sharing. We're just sharing.
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 Love it.